Nuer ma Dictorabi Majisawa, and then Dictorabi won the election. What did that mean? What did that mean? That's Nuer will be the powerful community for region of Banana region Matagamela. I jam sure. So election has consequences. Mugruk, ya Nuer with Abaj. Mugruk, you did well. Nuer with Abaj, you did well. One upon a time we were told that Mafi Nuer with Abaj. Mafi Nuer with Abaj, then Mafi do lots of Abaj. Then Abaj did Gambela Bejim. Tigre, Oroma, Wamar, Bejim for Gambela. Now that's what the Kulu. Now the Fo and you are Nuer Amshi South Sudan. Lo Mafi Nuer for Gambela, now Kulu Maji South Sudan. Mafi Nuer for Gambela now. Lo Mafi Nuer for Gambela, Mafi Nuer for Ethiopia. Then Mafi do lots of Ethiopia. And now the Kulu Machin Jinu Sudan. Male Tigre Beji Fogo, Amari Beji Fogo, Rome Beji Fogo, Munu Beji Fogo, and now Machin Jinu Sudan. But as long as we don't ask for Gambela now, that Banado asked but Abaj. But couldn't Nuer but Abaj, come on. What we told you? Alamuru, congratulations. Congratulations, you have done well. You have done well for yourself. Now, but I do not Sudan Garobate. I just Salbakir Garamul, there's all Madar Salam. There's all Madar Salam. Salbakir Madar Salam. Salbakir is waiting for his death. Salbakir, Bomut for Kurside. Salbakir already calculated. Pinas Basa, less Salbakir Mamala Jazere. Salbakir, Bogum the John Gram. Salbakir ma Bogum by election, ma fi election Bamalu Jinuf. Election are rising wide. Zul wide obam the election brow to do what? Madam obam the election brow ma Zoltan Babu, Zoltan and Mdenga Babu, Minana the political party, Ela give my Salbakir, Allah Salbakir won the election. They will not be recognized by nobody. You know? But the question is, why less Salbakir Bamala Jazere, Bejib Yom but I election book could fi Yom Bukatal Nuer Bell. Bukudu fi Sharo Katal Nuer Bell. Allah but I Nuer. Tum now the Khan Garden for Juba without him sharp in 2013. There's no little gillip. There's no little gillip la, oh mind no glyph. Mind no gillip lana Dictor Gal Salbakir mind no glyph. They all Kalamu Bumude, and mind no glyph. Gillip without big of a scar in ta. Marisa in ta, but gillip without. Marisa in ta, but Kilwa without. Marisa in ta, but Jism without the go. So Salbakir mind no glyph. I shall mind no glyph. That's why I got Amala Jazz. Lana loin that you have respect. Let Nazi the Catalode, Nazal Made. If you don't respect Nuera alive, if you don't respect Nuera, listen, God for doing it, it's okay. Like in Nuera the Catalode, a man to Bamalo disrespect. To Bamal disrespect, like Nuera the Catalode. They are Kalambo Golo Dal, le book to Nazi Junus. Danga Badu Kalam de Tamam. Danga, Ukidumich Barzale, they should have let him know that I did a Garamale, the Dal. Tama Bamal election, Fisharam Nature, or Nuer Catalobel. Mafi Nuer Bumsy election, Fisharam Nature. Nuer will come, Albumsy election. Nuer will come. Nuer will man. So respect Nazal Made. O could election de? Could you Fishar Tamania? Could you Fishar Aishara? Could you Fishar Dasher? Madu could Fishar Nature. Lana Sharanaya is a busy month. They look at Yesua, people are celebrating Yesua, Nuer Gadekor, Bajai, Bakalamna, Katalu. Respect the nation. It is all a dead salam pedola. You respect your nation. You behave well. You set an example as a leader. Lead by example. Leader, true leader, lead by example. Lakin wenu example Rumale. So Salbakir Garamala Jadabas shall not the shackle. Now the shackle they got for Kursi. Now you already he is protected. He is protected. Kalamanana Bagulu Juba will be captured. It is possibility, but not now. You don't need to capture Juba. Salbakir Bamud before you capture Juba. Salbakir Ayan. Oh Bamud before you capture Juba. So Salbakir is playing this game. Game of John Grant. Denga mo buku election map. Denga ma bam election map. Lakin denga ba mal tok duel. Salbakir ba mur gede ela bi jibu dol tan denga o buku male. De John Grant mat o kadu Salbakir ba male. That's how they're gonna run South Sudan. That's how they're gonna run South Sudan. That's the only tactic they have. Salbakir ba mur dan SPLM ba jib zone. dumunu bejibu da Salva Kiir bejibu dan bugulu lena yamda wukit John Garang ma John Garang machi rumbek John Garang machi rumbek ujab Salva Kiir yela the next thing we know Salva Kiir ma machi awanishan ujab filan ma machi awanishan yamda ujab minwe ma jab min awanishan machi la awanishan le junu ashan gul lena to console elders but abel tawman that's loana mat Dr. Galan Mahmud iba dai adud bukun reis ol tik bukun reis ol munu bukun reis raya betagum junu yela na bita bellet mind raya they will just collapse yenka kalas kalamata yo kalam da John Garang mi rumbek o John Garang mi kalam nonsense ko lenak do SPL ma bata denga the kan union bata rebel Nasser faction Torit faction Peshora faction Munu faction ya Mali unite. Why should Denga go to Rumbek to select Salva Kiir instead of Riek Machar, instead of Lamakon? But they are policy with Denga. It is all about Kalamde. Then you need to go to school with Denga. The school put a philosophy with Denga. Philosophy with Denga. Nobody will rule South Sudan. I can shilu kursi de bala fiye to woman ma bashiru by election la ma fi election. Woman balak ba election dere. Ila be shilu be sala. Kursi de beshil ba isla tarir adil gade tarir ya ruru junub bara fiye ta danga lakin zo le lo ma de tarir ta ma de shakal hukuma ta danga de kala danga ba kam ita ma fi gabila ta ne ba kam ma fi gabila ta ne ba kam be junub sudan danga ba kam nas. That's what they're doing. Their philosophy, it is a done deal. They nafsu kalama malu kartum. That's Arab Barao Bakam, Arab Barao Bakam. Until another beginner tabanin, Gasumna Sudan. The same thing now, they all another guy in few Alevijinov. Uslup with Arab the Khartoum, Uslup with Adanga when it comes to leadership, the same. Attitude of Arab in Khartoum, of leadership, the same attitude adapted by Danga of Sudan. That's kursi de ma bokum fiye toman. So it is all there kursi da forget about it. Shirsila amal tarir. The ma tarir betagum de that's ana Tom Shirila I'm a commander in chief. Ana Lama Kola I'm a commander in chief. Ana Fagana Moon commander in chief. Ana Boy Rolyang commander in chief. Ana Sibendwal Sibenism Yunus Bugolju Garwidwell Malay Sibendwal Garwidwell commander in chief. Ana Sholga commander in chief. Ana Dwetur commander in chief. Ana Goladison commander in chief. Ana Oya Danga commander in chief. Ana Emmanuel Yajawin commander in chief. Ana Edward Eche commander in chief. Ana Olan commander in chief. Ana Riang Machar commander in chief. Utum mentai na. They are Zaru division. They are Salva Kiir God to Kurz Kalam division. But when you unite under one umbrella, which is really one leadership, and then you declare a war on South Sudan, full liberation. Mafi Salam Fogo. You Salam as well. Now you already know what they're setting up for you. You already know what Denga is setting up for you. Denga is setting up for you leadership at the bottom forever. So it got the shackle target, the got the shackle target for freedom. The got the shackle zaru shan ideology de must be ravaged. Ideology de but Denga de or decision da Denga de philosophy da Denga de lazim sharadu. Uma be sharadu sa be sharadu basala. Be sharadu basala. Lakin lo ite got mang na de ana de amal salam. Ana mashi Arusha. Ana mashi Abuja, ana mashi Nairobi, ana mashi Italy, ana mashi Tanzania, ana mashi Rwanda, ana mashi Khartoum. It is all Tabana. So how many years you been doing that? Mina living with Talatajar, Larasa. How many fucking years? You should know from now that you are stupid. You should know from now that Denka Mader Salamu, Denka Mader Ayajatani. Either you cave in, you surrender. You surrender to Denga. Either we all surrender to Denga. That is okay for Denga. Ashana Kamano Zara for Khartoum. Mafi Majila. We can accept that Denga de Akamna, the Arab can come not to Khartoum. But Gadeshan Mude give. I shall Mude give or Denga de Samarnas. Lana sometimes it's a more request. Minchakala but too many commander in chief. It's a mar request min two men instead of than war. Wait, today it got a shackle filan got amal salam. But bukura filan got a drop salam or kumara salbake madanga de filan got amal salam maldane. Asan is a mar. It's better to surrender than fighting all this garbage war. Lali to bakalas not betak socket. Ale garwit ma galwaga hu malwait bukura galwag chalo garwit fadal. Gasamuita. Today the drop salade yawda mo bordol. Nyona na filaw. Mo bordol umba kan garbi magade jana wayir jang. They kalam too many commander in chief. Too many commander in chief for no reason. So I can take out Gaba Katira is better for all of us to surrender to Denga than instead of having too many fucking commander in chief for no reason. Salam, mina lebino komsar lario malele salam na chunu mabintade. You know? They mukuta Denga. Lo idu about the philosophy with Denga, they go to school. Go to school with Denga and study leadership. Leadership the woman mabe civil result on calls. And this is exactly John Grang is as you know. Salva Kiir is playing that. That's Anna Bomot or Anna Basibla than Kawatani. Lona Michi election woman Bawaga. Law Mulu election I deal get it. As low Machi election of Amulu for 2026 day. Charon Nigel. Salva Kiir will win. Salva Kiir will win the election. Belak Badabas will win. Ila Bejim never is without Dankawi. My election has consequences. We won the election. We Bejim never is without the Dankaw, Ma Bejim Narao, Kulukul. Lana Lojam Narao, Bejim Mushakal, Musakbal, but a leadership there. They already started nowhere mother bullshit there. So that's why I said, you know, Mishar, I can make it at Annuary, Kalazu one and for all. Make it at Annuary, who leadership Kalazu one and for all. So you know, Mishar. Now, they're posing SPLIO or Shield Zoltani. SPLIO Shield Zoltani. Now, the Mishar God decision. Oh, election Amolo set up. We got African Union guy now. Money to be sure today, one legitimate. The more legitimate African Union we got it. They're not with Akil Faget. They are not the book to Africa, not such man. They're not Mark Wason. They're not such man. These are people that's killing Africa. And Africa is better off than African Union. Than having African Union or IGAD. Africa, should region, but is better off without IGAD. Now, these people, the women they're in group, but they just after money. You know? So now what they're doing is to force SPLIO to choose another leader. How can you choose another leader? To do what? When you choose another leader, you rebel against Riek Machar. Kalas, nuer ma ci chagal braw. It is designed intentionally. It is designed intentionally kalamata 2022 de 2026 election de. It designed for nuer as a nuer gadi chagal braw min maganis grudinta ma chagal tane. So let's try this one election. Now machine election. Ila fin nuer tane bidi minas pila that yakwana ai ma Riek Machar gad decision kan jib zoltane. Min mata gul zoltane be jibu dare nuer chagal braw. It's good for Salva Kiir. It's good for Salva Kiir. Yom ta election da dem election mafi le nuer gadi chagal braw. Lo nuer gala nana bomsu Riek Machar dan ita bomsu Riek Machar gad decision. Ajadu kulu so. Whether you keep Riek Machar or you keep Riek Machar bara, you will never benefit from it. Cool. So I have to advise